Have you ever been in a situation when you followed up with an individual on a particular matter once or twice and then stopped? Well, today I will be sharing with you some statistics and a real life example that may cause you to change your approach going forward. The power of follow up. Hi, my name is Arjun Chaudhary and welcome to Mission Happiness. Many of us, after we follow up with an individual once or twice, either to request some information or for them to take some action, we stop because we've come to the realization that either they are not interested or there are certain complications that is preventing them from giving us a response. However, research has shown that the optimum time to follow up for success and happiness is 7 times. After your first follow up, the chances of closing a deal is 1 to 2%. After the third follow up, it's 7 to 8%. After the fifth follow up, it's 23%. After the seventh follow up, it's 67%. And after the eighth follow up, it's 22%. Let me share a recent story that yielded in positive results after following this approach. So I am part of a club that is part of in Edmonton, Alberta, that is part of an international non-profit organization, and I'm part of the executive committee of the club. And each annual year, one of the major goals of the club executive is to meet the minimum membership requirements of the club by getting new people to join the club. So the end of year was coming for our club pretty soon, and we were short of 4 members to meet our minimum membership requirements. So then suddenly we came across these statistics of following up 7 times. And then our club executive decided to take an aggressive approach and reach out to those potential members who we had connected in the past at least once or twice. And then every week going forward, we followed up with them. And what we noticed that week after week, after following up with them, between the 5th follow-up and the 7th follow-up, we were able to convert them into joining our club and becoming a member. And we met our minimum membership requirements before the end of the year, our club year. So the next time, if you followed up with somebody once or twice in a particular situation, maybe take that extra step and follow up with them a couple more times and open your door to a world of opportunities. Remember, happiness is the key to success. I'll talk to you soon.